Everybody, it's Justin from Bittner Built, and today we're talking aprons. I get so many comments in all my videos on, Justin, where do I buy this apron? And so I said, all right, let's do some apron videos. I went out and I bought an additional 5 aprons of different types, different styles. That way we can kind of go over each one. When I was going to put this together, it was going to be an hour-long video, so I'm breaking them up into individual videos here in a series. So make sure you jump around and check the different videos out, and let's get started. All right, so how are we going to do this? I've purchased a whole bunch of other aprons that we're going to take a look at, kind of run the gambit, see what's good about them. Maybe there's better ones than this one right here. Maybe this one you don't like at all. So I'm going to try and look at a couple different criteria. Number one is it comfortable? Because if it's not comfortable, you're not going to put it on, you're not going to use it. It's a waste of money if it's not comfortable, at least unless it's to protect you. If it's to protect you, that's a different story. Number two, we're going to look at how you put it on. Are you able to easily put it on, or do you need to be a contortionist in order to be able to put it on? And then number three really is ultra subjective. I cannot tell you how you're going to like to use your apron. I don't know what tools you're going to put in your apron. Me, I'm more of a minimalist person with my apron. I like some pencils, my tape, and I like having my dust collector hooked to me so I can turn it on and off really easy all the time. And that's really all I like. I really don't even use the bottom of my aprons most of the time. You, on the other hand, might be a walking toolbox. You might have every single thing at your disposal, and that's cool too. So what I'm going to try and do is when I'm wearing the aprons, I grabbed a whole bunch of different tools that, you know, I thought might be in somebody's apron. Even a framing hammer, like a big boy. We'll even just see how it works. So that way you can kind of get an idea of what fits in pockets based on size. We definitely want to check on like pocket depths, because you don't want to put something in there and it disappear forever that you can never get something out. I hate that. So let's go ahead and get started and check out all these aprons. All right, so second to last apron, this is the Andine leather apron. This is a full piece of real 100% leather, and so it came in this bag. I wanted to show you the bag. So I haven't seen it yet either on this one because I didn't want to not get it back in the bag. So we're opening it together. Ooh. This one's $129, so it is a whole different price point from the other ones. Just a heads up on that. Yeah, smells like a saddle for a horse. Ooh. That's cool looking, I gotta say. This is the Andine leather apron. It retails for $129, and it comes in 3 different colors: dark brown, brown, and wine. So I have to say, I'm very interested in this one. Like I've said, I'm more like minimal. So this is pretty minimal. So let's see if we can make this guy work. The straps are real leather. Then it goes into a webbing material in the back. It has a embossed leather back cross back here. It has 2 straps. So it meets in the back. That definitely need to be pulled on because, woo, loose. Okay, so it only pulls on one side to tighten. Okay, so this guy is minimal. So if minimal is your bag, this is an attractive, different type of apron, of course. So let's see what we can fit in here. So we can definitely do our punch test. We're sliding that in. It sticks out well, so it doesn't disappear into nowhere. The upper area for a phone, it's very wide. You could actually fit a much wider phone than this. So we win on the phone front. Now, this guy for me would definitely have to get strapped here in order to work, which we had to do that on one of the other ones. That's okay. This strap, now I can see how maybe this is more thought of as a barbecue apron, is maybe the mindset they had going into it, so you could easily do that, of course. If we're talking about my tape does sit there pretty good. I can definitely bump it off easy, unlike one of those metal rings. So there is something to say to that. Hammer. It works, but I think I can fit it through. I can. It's possible. I don't want to force it, but it's possible that your hammer can fall through. So mixed bag on that one. Tool. That is a really thick piece of leather right now. There. It's not as seamless as that piece of metal on that other one that I had. So it's almost like I have to place it, but it definitely would stay there. And then we have a large pocket right here. So this pocket could easily contain, you know, my tea. It could, this guy could have right here some of my pencils. My spring can go here. Markers. Let's see, can we get our 7-inch in here? Kinda. I would say more like this small guy that would be in here. You know, the one thing that I would think with this one, it's a nice looking one. I think I would just be scratching it up all the time, and I'd almost be worried about scratching it up all the time because I want it to look nice, but a shop apron can't look nice. It's going to get glue on it. It's going to get a whole bunch of stuff on it. So for the price and how nice it looks, you're going to trash it, or you should be trashing it. So, you know, there's that. I will put that out there. Also, when you put a whole bunch of stuff right here, the pockets are very tight. So like I feel this bending in of the leather onto my chest because I'm placing things in the pocket right here. When I take them out, it feels normal and flat, but it's like I'm pushing against myself. It's not coming out this way when I put something in the pocket. So that was our apron review video. Make sure you check out the other videos for the other aprons as well. I actually surprised myself and chose a new apron for me to keep instead of this one that I've had for many years because I liked it so much. Maybe you'll have a completely different choice, but everybody's functionality case is different, right? Make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and of course, stay safe in the shop. I'll see you in the next one.